This time we cut up the Husqvarna frame and fit the 700cc 2-stroke Zabel engine. By constructing the engine mounts. Please enjoy my video. Welcome to ABCD Videos. Let me explain the concern first.
Seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago.
The frame is blocking the exhaust.
But all will be okay.
Therefore, we need to add a custom frame loop.
The past is where it stays, way back a year ago.
First step, we take some measurements
I've changed for the better this time,
and reach the point of no return.
I thought I would never be fine. I tried just to say I'm alright, and for the first time in a long time I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same.
The next step is closing the hole.
But all will be okay. I move on each and
by
every
making a
day.
paper template.
The past is where it stays, way back a year ago.
See more Zabel 700 videos on my channel. And then welding it in place. And adding 2 mounting brackets. Next up is the rear engine mounts. Cutting a rough shape based on a template. Before detailing it with the sander. It fits like a glove, so now the other side. Please subscribe to support the channel. The right side is the same procedure. Before tagging both in place. Lining up perfectly. Front and rear are secure, now the lower mounts. A triangular patch with mounting hole. Positioning it in place for tagging. Thereby finalizing all engine mounts. Next time we construct the front loop.